Hey there! Finally, Instagram has done it. They have introduced the long format of videos that you can post as opposed to the 60-second videos that we used to post before. Now you can go ahead and post 60-minute videos on Instagram. Now, it is a big leap, and it's a giant leap if you ask me, and this is going to change the rules of the game forever and for good. Now, who gets benefited are creators, content creators, people who deal with a lot of video marketing, and people who promote their products or services using video. Now, this is the gold rush, right? Now, all you need to understand is there were speculations that Instagram is going to compete with YouTube head on. They are just going to eat away YouTube. Now, it takes a lot of understanding to realize that nobody can eat anybody up, right? Now, Instagram is not going to eat YouTube away and then it's just not going to disappear all of a sudden. But yes, they're going to give YouTube a tough competition because there are a few key differences if you notice. Now, you go to youtube.com, you put in a keyword, you see a list of search results that come by, and then you click on any of the particular video results that you see, then you watch the video. Now, Instagram or IGTV, as you call the platform for the long format videos, is going to eliminate all that hassle. Now, you don't have to do any of these things. Now, you just go to your IGTV, which is the Instagram TV, and then they have already uploaded videos. They show you the videos directly. There are tags like popular, there are tags like most viewed and things like that. Now, it's easy. There is no search mechanism involved. You don't have to search for any keyword as such. While there are key differences between both of these platforms, you have to realize that this is going to be a very, very, very interesting time for creators like us because you get to experiment with both sides of the coin. Now, you can deal with things on YouTube and you can also look at how Instagram is going to pan out for you. Now, there are a lot of things that you need to understand when you want to upload these videos, long format videos on Instagram. The first things first, what you need to understand is the 60-minute videos are not for everybody. These are only for the big accounts. Now, on the other hand, on the flip side, all the accounts on Instagram are eligible to upload a 10-minute video at least. Now, gone is the 60-second rule. Now, you have an opportunity to upload at least a 10-minute video. If you are a big account, if you have a lot of followers, and if you are a big Instagram account, now you can go ahead and upload up to 16-minute videos. Now, that's the major thing that I wanted to highlight today. Second, that you would have to understand is you cannot post videos directly from Instagram. You would have to download another app from your App Store or your Android Play Store called IGTV. You download that app, and that is where you will go ahead and create a channel for you, for your brand or for your company. And it's very simple. You just have to log in. Your Instagram will automatically fetch the feed. Now, you don't have to re-log in or you don't have to verify anything. You can use the same Instagram credentials. You create a channel, boom, you're ready to upload videos going forward, right? Now, the third thing that you would have to understand is these videos that you will be uploading on Instagram are the vertical videos. Now, when I say vertical videos, if you look at your phone, if you look at your mobile phone, you tilt it when you want to get a full horizontal view of the video, right? Otherwise, it's just a vertical view that you look at. Now, the videos that go on Instagram, the long format videos, have to be the vertical videos. Now, you figure out ways to create those videos, and I will be sharing some tips probably in my next video about how do you create vertical videos. Now, the next thing that you would have to understand, which is the fourth thing, which is very important, is you cannot upload videos on Instagram from desktop so far. Now, if you have to upload a video on YouTube, when we had the 15-second videos that we had or the 1-minute videos that we were doing, we would have to do it from your smartphone. Now, going forward, you don't have to do that. You can directly upload it from your desktop or any other external storage device onto your Instagram when it comes to the long format video ads. Now, you can do it from your desktop. You can do it from your external hard disk. Now this is where it gets interesting. I don't have to save those chunky files on my phone, which will eat away your battery anyway. Now, if you are using an iPhone, if you're an iPhone user, you already know that you're on a crunch for the storage, and you have to be careful about how your storage is going and what kind of files do you save and what you don't save. Now, IGTV eliminates the hassle of saving those files on your phone. You can directly upload them from your desktop. Now, it's, as I said, it's going to be one of the most exciting times for creators like you and I, because now you get to experiment with a lot of things on YouTube. You upload videos on Facebook, you upload videos on your Instagram, and now you know where these have a better traction. And then one big advantage that IGTV or Instagram gives you is when you upload your video, you know who people have the tendency to like the video, follow the video. Now you can directly get in touch with them. You can do a DM on Instagram and then just seek feedback for your video. And this is one of the most interesting phases. Now, as of now, IGTV they don't plan on advertising or running ads on this platform as yet, but you don't know if they would do it in future. I mean, they could just start off the bat one day and say that you can run ads on IGTV now, and then you can monetize them. Now, until then, these are the things that you need to keep in mind. No, YouTube is not dead. No, YouTube is not going to be dead anytime soon. But it's just an interesting perspective to look at. Now, you have two platforms to understand how people behave on any of these things. And IGTV and YouTube will continue to do what they have been doing so far. And in the process, people like you and I get the benefited out of the process, because this is a very, very, very interesting curve if you observe in our progress being digital marketers, and you get to experiment with both of these formats. I hope you enjoyed this session, and please stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be about a detailed step-by-step use case of how you can use IGTV to upload your videos. Until then, stay safe, have a good time, stay happy, and you could just like my video or subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and please stay tuned for many more updates like this. Until then, cheers, Casey from Digital Titans.